Stop paying thousands of dollars for online courses. Seriously, stop. We've all tried to find good free alternatives, but you usually end up scrolling through outdated blogs, fake free trials, or low-quality tutorials that teach you absolutely nothing. So, I built a solution. It's a 100% free course finder tool that scans the internet and pulls the absolute best, highest-rated free courses on any topic instantly. And because I built this for the community, it's completely open source. Today, I'm giving you the tool, the source code, and showing you exactly how to use it. Here is the dirty secret of the online education industry. About 80% of what you pay for in a standard premium course is already available online for free. You aren't paying for the information, you're paying someone to filter out the noise for you. I got tired of watching students and developers break the bank just to learn basic or advanced skills. That's why I spent the last few weeks coding this tool. I uploaded the entire project to GitHub so it stays free, ad-free, and community-driven forever. Let me show you how powerful this is. Let's say you want to learn prompt engineering from scratch, but you have $0. Watch this. Boom. In less than 2 seconds, the tool filtered out the garbage and gave us the top 3 highest-rated tracks. It checks APIs, verifies the links are live, and shows you exactly what you get. You click right here, and you're learning. No credit card, no sign-up traps. It doesn't just work for coding either. Want to learn full-stack development? Type it in, and the tool fetches university-grade resources that cost nothing. The tool is live right now, and the link to the GitHub repository is the very first thing in the description below. Anyone can use it. But because this is a community tool, I need your help to make it even better. If you want to support this project, you don't need to pay me a dime. Just head over to the repo and click that star button. It helps the project rank higher so more people can find free education. And if you're a developer looking to build your portfolio, I've set up a few good first issues in the code. Let's build a dark mode, add more education platforms, and make this massive. Go try the tool, star the repo, and drop a comment letting me know what skill you're learning next.